Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to easily add an image to any surface in your video using the Planar Tracker inside DaVinci Resolve. This technique works perfectly for walls, screens, billboards, basically any flat surface. Let's get started. First, bring the clip you want to work with into your timeline. Now switch to the Fusion page. Select the media in one node. Then press Shift plus space and search for Planar Tracker. Add the Planar Tracker node to your node graph. Now go to the viewer. We need to choose a frame where the surface is fully visible. There is good contrast. Nothing is blocking the area. Good contrast helps the tracker generate better tracking data. Once you find the right frame, draw a rough selection around the surface you want to track. It doesn't need to be perfect, just cover the area clearly. Now go to the Inspector tab. Under Reference Time, click Set. This tells Resolve that this is our main tracking frame. Under Tracker Type, change it to Hybrid Point Area. This gives more reliable tracking results. Under Motion Type, set it to Perspective. This allows the tracker to follow surface distortion properly. Now click Track to End to track forward in time. Once that finishes, go back to the reference frame. And click Track to start to track backward. Now the tracking process is complete. Bring your image into the node graph. Connect the image node to the Planar Tracker node. Now go to the inspector and change the operation mode to corner pin. You will now see a bounding box appear in the viewer. Drag each corner so it matches the perspective of the tracked surface. Take your time here, accuracy matters. Now let's blend it properly. Select the Planar Tracker node. Go to the Inspector Merge options. Play with the Apply mode and see what suits best for your footage. This allows the wall texture and lighting to blend naturally with your image. These small refinements help make the effect look more realistic and believable. Also, I've made a separate video on a similar topic called Easily Add Text to Any Surface in Your Videos in DaVinci Resolve. In that video, I cover a few more advanced settings and techniques that can help you get even better results. So if you want to dive deeper into this topic, make sure to check it out. You will find the link in the YouTube I button above and also in the description below. And that's how you add an image to any surface in DaVinci Resolve using the Planar Tracker. This method is powerful, clean, and works in the free version as well. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more DaVinci Resolve tutorials. Happy editing!